Imagine stumbling upon a skull fused to a cave wall, its origins shrouded in mystery for over 6 decades. Could this be the remains of a long-lost human species? The Petralona skull, discovered in a Greek cave in 1960, has long puzzled scientists. But a groundbreaking study might finally shed light on its identity. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about identifying a skull. It's about rewriting our understanding of human evolution. But here's where it gets controversial. The skull's age and unique features suggest it belonged to a primitive hominid that coexisted with Neanderthals, challenging existing theories about our ancestral timeline. Let's dive in. Embedded in the Petralona cave near Thessaloniki, Greece, the skull was found encased in calcite, a mineral deposit that had gradually fused it to the cave wall over millennia. Despite the missing lower jaw, the preservation was remarkable. However, its classification has been a bone of contention. Early attempts to date the skull yielded estimates ranging from 170,000 to 700,000 years old, while analyses of its morphology placed it variously as Homo sapiens, Homo neanderthalensis, or Homo heidelbergensis. These discrepancies left scientists scratching their heads, until now. A team led by geochronologist Christophe Falgueres from the Institute of Human Paleontology in France has employed a cutting-edge technique called uranium-thorium dating to pinpoint the skull's age. This method relies on the precise decay rate of uranium into thorium within speleothems, mineral deposits like stalagmites and stalactites that form in caves. By analyzing the calcite layers directly over the skull and samples from the cave wall, the team determined that the skull is at least 277,000 years old, with the oldest deposit dating back 539,000 years. This narrows the skull's age to between 277,000 and 539,000 years, depending on whether it was originally attached to the wall or deposited later. Morphologically, the skull stands apart from both Homo sapiens and Neanderthals, hinting at a distinct, more primitive hominid. This raises the tantalizing possibility that it belonged to Homo heidelbergensis, a species whose place in the human family tree remains hotly debated. Strikingly, the Petralona skull shares similarities with the Kabwe skull from Zambia, dated to around 300,000 years ago and classified as Homo heidelbergensis. This connection could be a game-changer for future research. But here's the kicker. If the Petralona skull is indeed Homo heidelbergensis, it suggests this species coexisted with evolving Neanderthals in Europe during the later Middle Pleistocene. This challenges the notion of a linear evolutionary path and opens the door to a more complex, intertwined history of human ancestors. Is our understanding of human evolution too simplistic? Could there be more missing branches in our family tree? The study, published in the Journal of Human Evolution, invites us to rethink what we know and what we still have to discover. What do you think? Does this discovery change how you view our evolutionary past? Let's spark a conversation in the comments.